Okay, let the sum of two numbers be 15. So let the two numbers let numbers be x and y. So they sum to 15, so x plus y equals 15. So y in terms of x is 15 minus x. So I have two numbers. I have x, and y can be written as 15 minus x. So now I have the two numbers in terms of x. Use calculus to find the values of the numbers which make the sum of their squares a maximum. So the sum is equal to the sum of their squares. So the square of x plus the square of y, which is 15 minus x, all squared. Okay, so that's what I'm finding, and I've just substituted 15 minus x for the y. Okay, that's the hard part. Now you're just doing what we normally do, except for you guys. But let's just, when I say that's the hard part, remember when you are multiplying out, write it out properly. Okay, and so that is going to give me 15 times 15 is 225 minus 30x plus x squared. And now I can add up all my like terms. So I have 2x squared minus 30x plus 225. You don't have to write it in that order. I just like to write it in descending degree. Okay, so the question said find the value which maximizes, calculus find the values a maximum. Okay, so we wanted to maximize the sum. So the change in s with respect to x is equal to 4x minus 30, and we are going to let that equal 0 to find the maximum. So 4x equals 30, and 30 divided by 4, 28, 7.5. Okay, so x is 7.5. Value of the numbers which makes the square the maximum. So 15 minus x, y equals 15 minus x, which is 15 minus 7.5, which is also 7.5. So the two numbers are both 7.5. You can 7.5 squared times 2 is the answer. Or yeah, cool.